We're showing how to make bread flour in only 2 minutes. Measure out a cup of all-purpose flour and add it to a bowl. You can use whole wheat flour or spelt flour instead of all-purpose flour, depending on the recipe you're making. Now take out 1½ teaspoons of the flour from the bowl. Next, you'll replace the 1½ teaspoons of the flour with vital wheat gluten. This is the natural protein found in wheat. It will give your bread the structure it needs. Measure out 1.5 teaspoons of the vital wheat gluten, add it to the flour, and mix well. It's a good idea to sift the flour to remove any lumps. Now you have bread flour. It's that easy. You can make a big batch or just a cup. If you found this video helpful, we think you'll like this one too.